welcome. I'm joined today by Bunty or Bubbly. Hello and welcome, guys.
Hello.
Masters of disguise, I have to say. Rani, you're looking especially beautiful today, handsome. And Saifji, looking your prettiest so far.
Do you like my hair?
I do. I love it.
Thanks.
It. How are Taimur and Jay doing?
Beautiful as always.
All right. And do you guys have a secret you want to share with me behind the mask?
Oh well, it's.
I think that.
I think it's time.
It's time for the reveal.
Yeah, I think
No,
Yeah.
before
we should.
that, I would just like to say that the new Bunty and Bubbly are just fantastic,
Oh, yeah.
smashing.
Oh, and they're better
What do you
than.
think, Rani?
I think they're okay.
Oh, wow. Do you think they're better than the original?
Not at all.
No, that I
Oh.
don't think so.
No chance.
don't think
no
so?
chance.
No chance.
No
All right.
chance.
Let me ask the new ones what they think about the two of you then, in that case. Siddhant and Sharvari, may I have you present the real face? Will the real Siddhant and Sharvari stand up?
मैम ऐसा क्यों बोला आपने अच्छा तो कर रहे थे इतनी तारीफ करती हो मैम आप
You know, I found out you're the new Bunty or Bubbly, but you're not teaming up with Saif and Rani. You're facing off against them. That's scary, right?
Yeah.
yeah that's
Yeah.
really scary. Of course it is. I mean they're iconic and to be I mean they're chasing us so
Yeah, I
to-
mean, like, you're making them sit here right now in front of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We would.
क्या बोले इनकी
हाँ,
कैसे ये कोई
ये ले लो कोई.
Yes. You know, it
Samal
must have been an absolute dream come true to bag such an iconic film that has so many fans already. I'm sure you guys are fans of it. Sharvi, I'm interested in knowing how you came on board this film.
So I actually have been auditioning since 2014, and I mean, like, as any actor, I've auditioned at all the possible places. So I had auditioned with Yash Raj in 2015, and I auditioned many times after that. My first audition was very high. I'm Sharvari. My profiles are. That was my regular audition, and after that, I think. Because I used to obviously audition many times with Shanu Sharma, who is the casting director at Yash Raj, she would always try to, groom a lot of actors, and I was one of them at that time. And as the years passed by, I was trying to improve myself and keep getting better at my craft. And I think this was the film that was meant to be. So I was called by her to her house, and she and her director Varun Sharma, they were sitting there. They introduced me to themselves, and then they said, "So you're shortlisted for this film called Bunty or Bubbly 2." And I was like, "Wait, I was auditioning for Bunty and Bubbly 2
you
since
didn't
the
know?
last one month."
Oh, you didn't know
I
that?
had no idea.
Okay, that's fun.
I had
That's
no
fun.
idea.
Yeah.
So I obviously took 10 minutes and I told them, please don't judge me on the next 10 minutes because I really need to, my excitement needs to get contained. After that, of course, as the drill goes, I did another few rounds. I think I met Siddhant. I did an audition with Siddhant as well.
You did?
Yes,
Okay.
because he, I think, was on board by then. And I did an audition with Siddhant. Then I met Adi sir. He gave me the script, and told me that I'm a part of this film. I'm a Yash Raj talent. So, yeah, that was all dreams.
Yash
coming
Raj
true.
Talent, right? That's the premier production house, and that really is the dream for so many people out there, Siddhant. How did MC Sher become Bunty?
yeah, that's a well I needed a break from something because before that I was a part of Inside Edge. I mean Inside Edge 3 is announced today. I'm not a part of
Yeah.
that series. Damn. But so I have this love for drama, so I was doing those kind of roles, and after that film I think the perception was he's a big guy, and I was playing a character which is older than my own age. I was 24 that time. I played around 28, 29. So I remember Shanu ma'am calling me and she was like, listen, there's this film, it's a Yash Raj film. I was like, I know, of course, it's Shanu ma'am, your call. I've tried my level best in my audition days to reach you. She was like, yeah, but you were so good in that film, but this film I'm not sure if you'd like to do it. I was like, why? Because it's a full-blown commercial entertainer. I was like, why do you think so? I won't be interested in doing it. She was like, because you're like, maybe you're looking for something intense, gritty. I was like, why? Listen, nobody had kind of promised me to that okay, you'll be launched or something. It was my way to prove my credibility and craft.
Did you have to audition for this one as well?
No.
I knew that, yeah. MC Sher doesn't have to.
No, but I'll tell you.
Prove himself.
No.
Yeah,
wait,
he did, I think
but even for the producers and directors, it's impossible to imagine something like this. I'll tell you how I auditioned. I mean, they didn't ask.
You conned them. That would have been a good audition, right?
I remember Adi sir calling me, and when I said yes, I would love to hear it. I heard the script, and Adi sir called me and was like, I watched the film, and I was like, yeah, and he's like, तू तो hero है. I was like, सर हाँ तो फिर बना दो. तो he's like कि हाँ करते हैं फिर. लेकिन मैंने बोला सर ऑब्वियसली आप कैसे इमेजिन कर पाओगे मैंने जो किया है. तो he's like हाँ नहीं हो जाएगा यार, अभी टाइम है 3-4 महीने कर लेंगे. मैंने बोला ठीक है सर. मैं घर गया. And then I kind of, I have a diary where I kind of write as my character.
I know, you on Instagram as well, you
Yeah,
post
yeah.
some glimpses, I know that.
So I write as the character. So I wrote as Bunty. I recorded the voice. I put some वो वाली film का BGM डाला मैंने पीछे. And I went with my speakers the next day. Sir, I have to meet you. So he's like, for what? It's like, sir, I have something. He's like, okay. I made him listen to that. Like a 3-4 minute monologue of Bunty.
I
And
heard
he's
that,
like-
which was quite phenomenal.
Yeah? Whenever I look at Siddharth, unfortunately, I can only imagine him saying, क्या बोल रहे हो ये public बंटी के लिए.
I'm sure when you watch this film, you all will be blown by
His
the other
Bhojpuri
facet.
accent, I think. His Bhojpuri accent is, I think, what I'm going to be fascinated by in this one. Yeah, did you do it like that? Like,
Yeah, so I
Bunty,
brought
rap?
that little thing, and Adi sir was really happy because, I put my own imagination, and because I come from UP, so I put in my own, my cousins and everything, so I brought,
cute.
brought these characters, traits in the character. So he was really happy, and he was now, I think he was like, okay, we are on, and, it's like, yes, now he knows, he won't be like, thinking if I'd be able to pull it off. Obviously, you sign a film, but still, like, you have to kind of win the confidence.
And you didn't have to pull off just one character. The two of you have 4 characters that you have to pull off,
Yes.
right? Is that fun? Is it like easier is your job when you get to play these outlandish characters? Is it more fun or is it like more challenging and difficult? What do you feel?
Both.
Both. I do think that as actors, this is, of course, a great opportunity for us. We're not just getting to play one character, but we are getting to play 4 characters, almost 4-5 characters. And
5.
also the fun part is that they have different age groups, different body languages, different dialects. So it's not, again, we're not only playing our age groups, So we got to play so much, which I don't know where else we would have gotten to play.
Yeah.
So for us, it was more exciting. We really worked on our characters like a team because it's Bunty and Bubbly. So both the characters need to work together, though they come from very different spaces, but they need to work together. So like Siddhant said, he obviously took so much inspiration from his cousins and people there. I remember I used to share voice notes with a lot of people so I can hear how they are speaking, so then I can copy a lot
What
of
are
them.
the accents you have? I'm curious. You have a Bhojpuri one. Do you also have a Bhojpuri one in this?
No, I actually have a Maharashtrian accent,
Oh.
which there's a dialogue in the trailer itself which is Marathi, and there are a lot more which,
Lot more actually.
which,
yes.
which you will know on
Okay,
19th.
okay. I won't ask you to
Yeah.
reveal that.
Yes.
But how good are you at conning people in real life? Oops. okay. I won't put you in such a tough spot. You know how we all have fake names, right? When you don't want to like commit your real name. What's your go-to fake name?
I don't have a fake name.
No, when you're signing somewhere, you don't want
Yeah.
to put your real name.
Really? I've never done that.
Not yet, I think. Very soon you'll
You
have
haven't?
to.
I never
I
have.
used to do it even before. Like, there's so many, yeah. You can't,
See,
like,
Born
okay.
Bunty. What is your fake name? Go-to fake name.
I have a couple.
Couple? My god!
Yeah. There's one called Parallel Illusion.
Parallel illusion.
Yeah, like it's heavy.
Oh, that really is. That's very unique. Your name should be like Ram,
Raj.
Rahul. Exactly. She gets
So
it.
this is more for like the online, gaming
Parallel
and
illusion, Halo and all. I
yeah.
think.
So I used to play a lot of games. So Parallel Illusion and yeah.
Like that. I used to have a gaming name when
What
I was
is
a
that?
kid.
What is it?
Shark. I don't
Shark.
know why. Shark.
It's very like your own name.
Yeah.
So sweet.
Yeah.
She's so sweet. How good are you as liars? Do you have like a go-to lie? If you're like you don't want to go for something, you say unwell, headache, my pet
I've
is
done
unwell.
that many times.
You've done, you want to tell us your go-to one, or you're going to use it again?
I can't tell you my go-to one, then people will know
No.
what it is. But I've bunked a lot of classes in college and
Yeah.
stuff.
And you got away with it easily? Ah, okay. That's the mark of a good actor. What about you, Siddhan? You get away easily with your white lies?
I yeah, of course. Like today
We're
I'm not
looking
well.
like a bunch of
Oh,
white
yeah,
lies
white
here
lies,
right now.
exactly.
Exactly.
A couple of very attractive white lies, I have to say. Alright, in the first one, Bunty or Bubbly managed to sell an entire Taj Mahal to the public, right? What can you guys sell our viewers? Can you sell that watch convincingly? If you had to make them buy it for 3 crores,
Okay.
what would your pitch be?
भाई ये भविष्य दिखाती है, मैं बता रहा हूँ खरीद लो। मैंने अपना भविष्य देखा था इस घड़ी से 3 साल पहले कि मैं यशराज का हीरो बनूंगा और देखो पोस्टर पे आ गया हूँ। कसम से बता रहे हैं, इसको खरीद लीजिए और ऑफ़र बहुत ही ज़्यादा लिमिटेड है क्योंकि अगर अभी नहीं खरीदोगे तो मैं रख लूँगा और फिर
You know what?
एक सेकेंड, ये दिखा रही भैया तुम खरीदने वाले हो।
Wow.
3 करोड़ में नहीं, हाँ ये 2.5 करोड़ में खरीद रहे हो, 50 लाख का तुमको डिस्काउंट दे दिया।
Wow, chalo, wow, super deal as well. And you know what? Knowing your fans, I think there will be an auction for it, and I think you may get even like 6. I think I set like a very low number. You know, I'm convinced. I can't wait to see the 2 of you in Bunty or Bubbly. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Hope
you.
to see you in the theaters. Thank you.
Thank you.